James took a journey of 1.5 hours duration. He arrived at his destination at 1:10 p.m. Calculate the time when he started his journey. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this 1:10 p.m. and convert it from the 12-hour clock to the 24-hour clock. Indeed, 1 p.m. is actually 13 o'clock in the 12-hour clock. Again, 1 p.m. is actually 13 o'clock in the 24-hour clock. So that means that 1:10 p.m. is going to be 13:10 in the 24-hour clock. And so that's what we're going to do here. So we have 13:10. And the reason why, the way how we got 13:10 is because that's 1:10, but we expressed it in terms of the 24-hour clock, which is 13:10. Next, it says here we have 1 hour, 1.5 hours. And 1.5 hours is basically 1.5 hours, which is the same thing as an hour and 30 minutes. So 1 hour and a half is an hour and 30 minutes because half an hour is 30 minutes. And so what we have to do here is we have to subtract 1 hour and 30 minutes. And we have 0 minus 0, which is 0. And we have 1 minus 3. We can't perform that. So what we have to do is we have to actually take away 1 hour, right? We have to borrow 1 hour from the hour side and bring it over to the minute side. And so if we take away 1 from 13, that leaves us with 12. And so on the hour side, we have 12. But on the minute side, remember, we borrowed a whole hour from the hour side, but we're on the minute side. And so we have to express that 1 hour in terms of minutes, which is 60 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we borrowed a whole hour. When we bring that hour over, it's actually going to be, in terms of minutes, 60 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minutes. And so we have on the hour side 12, and on the minute side, we have 60 plus 10. And so let's write that down. On the hour side, we have 12 hours, and on the minute side, we have 60 plus 10, which is 70. And next, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes, and we have to subtract them. So we have 0 minus 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. And we have 7 minus 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4. And we have 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And we have 1 minus 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And so what we actually have is 11:40. And so that means that the time when he started his journey, that's what he was trying to find, the time when he started his journey is 11:40 a.m. And that's the answer to this question.